Hi, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a custom progress bar. As you will see, it's very simple, and the idea is to use the two controls. One of them is Groupbox control, and the another control is label control. Just make sure to place your label inside the Groupbox control. Okay, the text property of my Groupbox I used to show the percentage number, so make sure it's empty. And label, why do we need label? Well, as the process is progressing, we need to increase the label size. So for the beginning label size, actually label width is set to 0. Just make sure that auto size property is equal false. Okay, and I changed the background color. Slime. Okay, so you can put the button control to start process. Okay, so we need the counter, integer counter is equal to 0, and we also need something to regulate the speed of our process, and I use the two variables, row max and column max, and I set them to 2000. And you need a decimal percentage done variable. Okay, so we need two for loops, and we need to increase the counter inside the inner for loop. So integer c is equal to 0 less than c++, and here we increase our counter value. And percentage done we calculate on this way, is equal to counter divided by row max multiplied by column max, and just make sure this is the decimal. Okay, so we need to change our text property of our Groupbox. Is equal to percentage done multiplied by 100, and just make sure this is the integer. And convert all this to string. And just make sure to refresh this control. Okay, there is one more thing left to do, and that's to increase the label size. And label width is equal to percentage done multiplied by group box width, and you can add there just -10 because we don't want to fill the entire group box control. And also make sure to convert this to integer. And here you can close the for. Okay, let's see how it works. Oh, I forget to change the text property of my label. Just make sure it's empty, and it should be good now. Yeah, it's good. And with these variables you change the speed of your progress bars. So if I set them to 5000, my progress bar should load a lot more slower. Yeah, it's a lot slower. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching.